Hi everyone, I am Tricia Morris from Club Scrap, and I'm here to invite you to another fun workshop provided by our friends at Volume. This event is happening on November 22nd and 23rd. If you can't make it, you can watch the event anytime after that. Okay, we're going to be making this really cool gift, perfect for the holiday season, perfect for anyone, and this is something you're going to want to make again and again. Once you master this class, you're going to be shopping your own stash at home to make more of these awesome gifts. Let's take a look at what we're making. My favorite part about this class is that we transform 12 by 12 sheets of paper into a number of things. A beautiful box with this lid and base that holds 5 by 7 cards and envelopes. And we'll also transform 12 by 12 papers into a set of 4 5 by 7 cards and 2 4 1/4 by 5.5 inch cards. And I have this really fun little trick I'm going to teach you to create these nested strips on each card all at once. You're gonna love this, I promise. So your kit comes with that all-important copy of the instructions that gives you all the secrets to my formula and the stunning papers you need to create the cards exactly as you see them. You'll have this Yellowstone print and then a sheet of my mapped out cutaparts that help you finish up your cards both on the outside and the inside with those fun sentiments. Then you'll get that series of 12 by 12 cardstock papers. We've got ivory, 2 teal, brown, a gold, and a rust. And you also get the 6 envelopes required for all the cards we'll make, so you can pop them right into that gift box and hand it off to a friend, if you can part with it. So don't forget to pick up your 5 by 7 nested strips formula and gift box kit. We're gonna have so much fun making these cards together. I can't wait.